Building a strong community starts with access to the right resources. And that's why the city of Cincinnati is teaming up with local organizations and nonprofits for Social Services Day on April 12th at the Eastside Recreation Center. Now, this is a free event designed to connect people with the support they need. And here to share all the details is Councilmember Meeka Owens. And it's so great to have you here,
Yes,
Meeka.
it's so great to be here. It's a lovely studio.
Oh, well, thank you. I can't believe this is your first time, but we're certainly glad to have you.
Thank you.
So tell us, what inspired Social Services Day?
Yeah, so this was inspired by just the idea that the city has resources, and sometimes people don't know about the resources. And so how might we get outside of City Hall and really share these with the community? So for example, we've got resources around our tenant resources, the work that we've done around eviction prevention. So we are introducing our tenants guide, which is all about, here are the legal things that renters need to know in the city of Cincinnati, and access to resources like rental assistance and what is escrow. So many other things. Our Office of Environment and Sustainability picking up a free recycling bin, right? As we continue to advance the goals of our Green Cincinnati plan. But in addition to those resources, there's also our partners out in the community who are doing great work that are always looking for those access points. And so it's an opportunity really just to bring community together and really build on education and information and do it in a really fun way.
Yeah, I'm curious, did you hear from the community that these are the kinds of things we want to know? Yeah,
well, I think intuitively it's like, oh, you didn't realize we had the home program or the harbor program. And so let's make sure we're connecting, folks to things that they might be curious about. But you're giving me an idea that maybe we'll survey the community and say, hey, what else would you like to see here? But we've tried to cover a lot of different areas. So jobs and healthcare and green and sustainability and home repair services and even legal services. So we feel like we've covered a broad gamut of things.
So how excited are you to be able to bring this to the community?
You know what? This is an event that really brings joy to my heart. Truly, because it's community activation. People are excited to participate. We've got, I think, over 40 organizations who will be with us on this 4th Social Services Day. We've gotten to the point of doing 2 in a year, which is really great. And people always have a good experience coming by. It's free, right? We're giving away swag bags, free food, entertainment. It's family oriented, bouncy houses. It's like, that's the way I want to spend a Saturday. I mean, when you have Kona Ice, right?
Yeah, let's lean into that a little bit, because we do want to talk about the fun activities that are available. You mentioned the bouncy house, Kona Ice.
Kona Ice will be there. We've got Dino Buddies, which I will be meeting for the first time, but apparently it's, if you are into reptiles and amphibians, great way to come and be curious. Again, bouncy houses. I think we've got balloon animals, a clown. It's going to be very, very fun.
And you mentioned it's free. Is there anything people need to know leading up to the event?
Well, you need to know that it's Saturday, April the 12th. It's going to be at our new Eastside Rec Center. Again, DJ fun, food trucks, sweets and meats. I love the macaroni and cheese.
Yes.
So really excited to partner with a minority woman-owned business, and so very exciting. But people just need to come and want to be curious and learn and stumble into something new.
Yeah, and how you're going to have fun there. We know that. So, Meeka, I understand that you have something special for seniors too, right?
Absolutely. I mean, our most vulnerable population, we always want to make sure our seniors have the information and resources and access that they need. So Council on Aging will be present. We also have the Central State Mobile Healthcare Access Unit, big van that you'll come and be able to get, tests and all those things. And, staying healthy is important, but certainly we wanted to elevate a space for seniors in the community.
But what is the impact, you think, on the community, what they get to learn and all of that?
Yeah, I think it's always great when people have that aha, didn't know moment. And so for me, that just brings such joy. If you didn't know that people working cooperatively helps folks make home repairs, if you didn't know that home housing opportunities made equal helps to support people that might feel like they've been discriminated against as a renter, if you didn't know that our parks program our Parks Department offers, programs for children and educational resources. This is where you should be.
Yeah.
And so much more.
I love that. So people have questions. They want to know a little bit more about the event. Where should they go?
They should go to my Instagram, my Facebook. We create an event there. And also, what is the other thing? Twitter. Just go to social media.
Meeka Owens social media.
Yes.
And we'll put
CM
that
Owens.
up.
Yeah, thank you.
Absolutely. Okay. Well, good luck with everything.
Thank you so much.
Hope
We're
it
really
goes well. I'm
excited
sure
to
it
do
will.
this again. Yeah. So free. Oh, I've got to mention that Rosie Redlegs will be stopping by. Buskins is providing breakfast in the morning. So if you're one of the first people to arrive, please come out and get some buskins.
I'm glad you mentioned that's very important because people do love Rosie's, Rosie Red, and then Buskin. So
Cincinnati staples.
absolutely, absolutely. Thanks so much for being here.
Thank
Again,
you
good
so
luck
much.
with everything.
Thank you.